All right, let's keep on going. You can see how shiny. That's still wet paint up there. Make the third brighter. Third layer brighter. Grab some bright paint and just nice. Soft little guy. I'm gonna grab a touch of the white. So strong. There we go. Kind of pulls it forward. And I'll come up under there. All right. What do we want to do? Little river? Little river? I think we'll do some bright little highlights. Right in here. That really stands out. Just barely. Not too much. We can kind of show that that's playing its way down through here. Oh, yeah. There's a couple bushes. Maybe one lives here. Just like that. Now, tap along the bottom, level that out. I like it. We're gonna have a waterfall. Let's say waterfall happens somewhere right there. Comes out of the distance back there. Falls down there. And then we got some water that we're just gonna pull down, wipe across. We got some water. It's gonna come in there. So I'm just putting blue undercoat wherever I think we're gonna have water. Let me grab some more of that. And maybe just along here, we're gonna have some water. I think in our world, there's just a waterfall going on in the back there. And it's the most beautiful waterfall. I mean, this forest area is just unbelievable. But all right, it's coming out like that, and then it just drops. Got to make little noises. And then splash it up. So we're gonna push. Put a little bit more white. Woo, that's a bit too much. Just splash it right at the bottom there. So it's kind of tucked in behind the grasses. And then we're gonna do some little splashes at the edges over there, the edge of our canvas. Just like that. And then some back and forths. Splash here and there. Just a tiny bit. Just enough to kind of mix some whites in with our water. Then we'll do some splashes up on this bank right here, because we're going to put some dirt in here in a sec. But we just want to get some basic ideas of our water here. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. And maybe there's a little splash here and there. Maybe there's a bunch of splashes. Heck, it's rocky and pretty crazy down there at the bottom. See that? Maybe right here. There's a big old. All right, we're getting out of control now. We're just gonna let it happen. Right here, there's a big old rock that forces us to have a falls. See, that pushes all that in the background there. Get some fresh white, go right over top of that. There we go. And maybe there's some misty stuff. Some big old splashes going on. Wow. This goes off who knows where. Just like that. So beautiful. And back there. And right here, there's just a cliff. All right, see that? I might need to get some more brown here, but I'll just take all this dark color. I'm gonna pull sideways, just like this, and then drop it off underneath of that. All right, see that? Maybe this comes out of there, and that from up there, and bring it right over your cliff. Right? Right? And then just kind of blend that back in up there. Kind of like so. All right. And bring your water up to the cliff edge now. Nice. Some kind of highlight color for our dirts here. There we go. There we go. Just playing with all those colors. The whites and the browns and the blacks and the yellows. Just shaping ourselves some little dirt action here. Right? Goes way back into the distance back there. And then get some real dark to pull down for our little cliff shadows. I like that so much, I'm just going to rub it. I think maybe there's just cliffs all the way along there. Who's judging? Who's judging? Some of them are more distinct than others. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? It's amazing. Amazing what we can do here with just some nice, easy maneuvers and some courage, confidence. Get a tap of the sap green and touch some more yellows, Indian yellow, red, just a bunch of everything. And I'm going to make a bush over here. I'm just feeling excited. I wanted to make a real big bush there. And then come back with the bright yellow with the white and the red pulled together there. We'll just highlight our buddy there. Maybe give him some little white things here and there just to make him brighter. And then grab some dark green on the other side. Touch it in over there. Beautiful. I think we can just come across the whole bottom of this. Just putting in some beautiful, beautiful bushes. Beautiful reds. And some yellows. This is so fun. I honestly think we need a big old tree. Lives about, oh, there he does. There he does now. Lives about right there. How do you feel about that? I like him. Um, yeah, and he just stands right down here where these bushes are. These nice fall trees just kind of hang out. And he goes all the way off the top of the canvas. Try to use all the color. And maybe he's a little thicker. And he's got another part of him is right there. Perfect. Now, it kind of balances it out a bit more, I think. So that way when we do highlights, we get nice, beautiful colors for our tree, right? Almost thick bark, yeah. Beautiful. Just let it come right off of the knife, the highlight color. You just tap it down. And that, my friend, is beautiful. This is really a stunning, gorgeous painting here. A stunning, gorgeous one. I still have this little open area here. Touch up the back of our tree over here. And just down at the bottom corner there. The blue gives it a reflected light, little reflected light. And we'll give that guy some beautiful brown mixed with some white, and give him some highlights. Ding. And I'm going to come right across the bottom down here and just do some soft little finishing touches. I'll grab a bit of sap green, the corner there, tap it into the yellow, and just touch here and there, just to add some highlights onto some of your bushes. Man, I tell you what, that right there is one hell of a gorgeous painting. I'm just going to add some, maybe it looks like a little path that comes right behind the tree there. And this path's coming off the bottom here. This is where we've been hiking all the way up this mountain. We've got a beautiful, beautiful view now, looking from this path. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. 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 All right. You know, I think that right there, may just be my masterpiece, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you the palette. It's a beautiful palette that we played with there. Wow. That's just some kind of a scenery. I might have got a little messy there, but I think that's beautiful. How the light might just be shining. And there's a cliff down at the bottom of that hill. That's one kind of a painting. That's with a less bright light shining on it. But time to let it dry and then we can sign it. Just fantastic. I would suggest playing around with that. Gotta love the black canvases. Got to love them.